Hello everyone, greetings of the day.
Welcome to the Central Academy News Studio.
I am Jeevika Chaudhary from class 9th.
And I am Mahit Tyagi from class 11th.
Today we have brought the video of the Republic Day celebration. This video captures the important moments of 77th Republic Day celebration at Central Academy School.
The program reflected culture, discipline, and the national pride, with each segment connecting values to expression.
The celebration began with the unfurling of the national flag by the principal sir.
The national anthem followed, creating an atmosphere of unity, respect, and pride across the campus.
The spirit of discipline continued through a well-coordinated march past.
Conducted under the guidance of Mr. Arun Pratap Jat, NCC in charge of the school. The march past reflected leadership, coordination, and confidence.
The occasion became even more meaningful as Mr. Arun Pratap Jat was promoted to the rank of second officer, bringing honor to the NCC unit.
From discipline, the program moved smoothly toward the value with the lamp lighting ceremony.
The Saraswati Vandana that followed highlighted the importance of knowledge, learning, and wisdom in nation building. Music then added emotional depth to the celebration.
The patriotic song Sandeshe Aate Hain reminded everyone about the sacrifices made by the soldiers and their families. The first address of the program was delivered by Anushka Didi.
Her speech explained the significance of the Republic Day and guiding of the role Indian Constitution.
Her words connected history with responsibility and awareness.
That message of duty and respect was beautifully expressed by the youngest performers of the school.
Students of classes 1st and 2nd presented a patriotic dance based on the theme Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Tu Mera Karma, Tu Mera Dharma.
Their confidence, expression, and joyful energy made the performance heartwarming and memorable.
The program then moved back to awareness through words.
Head girl Himanshi Didi delivered an address that connected the journey of Indian Republic with the responsibilities of the student.
Her interactive approach encouraged understanding and thoughtful citizenship.
The atmosphere then turned reflective.
The song "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" created a moment of respect and gratitude for the nation's merits. Patriotism then took a visual form through the patriotic ramp walk by the students of class 1st to 5th.
Their presentation reflected unity in diversity and pride in India's cultural richness. The energy of the program rose further with the address by the head boy Adarsh Bhaiya.
His speech highlighted leadership, discipline, and the role of youth in nation building. Building on that energy, Class 8th A and B presented a powerful group dance titled Rango Mein Rashtrabhakti.
The performance portrayed courage, sacrifice, and national pride through expressive movement and strong coordination. The celebration was further enriched by a patriotic song performed by Abhilasha Ma'am.
Discipline and dedication were recognized through the NCC medal distribution ceremony.
The NCC candidates then presented the patriotic song हम सब भारतीय हैं, अपनी मंजिल एक है, highlighting unity and national integration. The program concluded with the address by the sir.
He explained the importance of Republic Day and encouraged students to live by constitutional values. With sweet distribution, the 77th Republic Day celebration came to a meaningful close.
The program reflected pride in the nation and responsibility towards its future.
As we conclude this special Republic Day bulletin from our studio, we hope these moments of pride and patriotism inspire you as much they inspired us.
Let us always remember that the true spirit of Republic Day lies in unity, equality, and commitment towards our nation.
From all of us at the School Media team, goodbye, take care, and Jai Hind.
For more updates, stories, and celebration, stay connected with our official YouTube channel.
Have a great day ahead, and may the tricolor always fly high in our hearts.
Jai Hind.